Once upon a time, in a bustling forest, there lived a tiny sparrow named Sparky. Sparky was small, with plain brown feathers, but he had a huge dream: to fly higher than any bird in the forest and touch the clouds. One sunny morning, Sparky perched on a branch and shared his dream with his friend, a wise old owl named Oliver. "I want to soar above the tallest trees," Sparky chirped. "But I'm so small. What if I fail?" Oliver hooted softly. "Sparky, the sky doesn't care about your size. It only asks for courage. Start flapping your wings and don't stop, no matter what anyone says." Sparky nodded, determined. He flapped his wings and took off. But the other birds laughed. A crow cawed, "Look at tiny Sparky. He'll never reach the clouds." Sparky's heart sank, but he remembered Oliver's words. "I won't listen to them," he said to himself. "I'll keep flying." The next day, Sparky flew higher. The wind was strong, pushing him back. His wings felt tired. A kind squirrel named Sammy saw him struggling. "Hey, Sparky, don't give up," Sammy shouted. "Every flap makes you stronger. Keep going, and you'll find your strength." Sparky took a deep breath. "I can do this," he whispered. He flapped harder, pushing against the wind. Day after day, he practiced. His wings grew stronger, and he flew higher each time. One stormy evening, dark clouds rolled in. Thunder roared, and rain poured. Sparky was scared. "This storm is too big for me," he cried. But then he heard Oliver's voice from below. "Sparky, storms teach you to fly better. Use the wind to lift you, not stop you." Sparky trusted Oliver. He tilted his wings and let the wind carry him. It was tough, but he soared through the storm. When the rain stopped, Sparky looked up. He was closer to the clouds than ever before. Finally, one bright morning, Sparky flapped with all his might. Higher and higher he went until, yes, he touched the soft, fluffy clouds. He twirled in the sky, filled with joy. The forest animals cheered below. "Sparky did it!" they shouted. Sammy scampered up a tree. "You proved them wrong, Sparky. You showed us all that small wings can reach big dreams." Sparky landed beside Oliver, beaming. "Thank you for believing in me. I learned that courage and hard work can take me anywhere." Oliver smiled. "Now, Sparky, share your courage with others. Inspire them to chase their dreams too." From that day, Sparky became a hero in the forest. Birds who felt small came to him for advice, and he told them, "Flap your wings, believe in yourself, and never stop flying." The moral of the story: no dream is too big if you have courage and keep trying. Ignore the doubters, push through challenges, and you'll reach your goals. Think about your own dream. What's stopping you? Start today. Take one small step like Sparky's first flap. Keep going, and you'll soar. If this story lifted your spirits, smash that like button, share it with someone who needs a boost, and subscribe to my channel for more inspiring stories to improve yourself and learn English. Click the bell icon so you never miss a new tale. What's your dream? Drop it in the comments. I can't wait to hear it.